My name is Sabine, and I'm from Kansas. And recently realized that my gutters were in horrible shape. Did a Google search, and LeafFilter popped up. Gave them a read on the website. Sounded good. Emailed them and to get a meeting set up. The lady even called me back on a late Sunday. That was awesome. By Tuesday, Kevin came by and took a look at my gutters and then presented LeafFilter to me to let me know what it's all about. I desperately needed some help there, and I needed a Saturday installation, and the guys made that happen. They came by early on a Saturday morning. It was even raining, and they still did the install for me. It was a very quick process. Excuse me. It was a very quick process. It was really awesome. Everybody was really friendly, on time, and I just love my LeafFilter now. It works great. The gutters are actually doing what they're supposed to be doing. I could not recommend this product any more than I already do to other people. So if you need some help with your gutters, call LeafFilter.